You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word. I kind of like this word. I've just learned about it and it's fantastic. It's a crossing between a plum and an apricot. Therefore, the name is also a portmanteau, the combination of the two, pronounced as Pluot. That's British English pronunciation. So it's the start of plum, although it's pronounced plu, not blah. Pluot. Pluot. Now, in the US is probably more commonly pronounced as Pluot. Pluot in American English pronunciation, or how to pronounce in English, Pluot. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.